Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your paid work app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then all you have to do now, just go down here, you just keep going down, then you click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here and there you're looking for paid work app or just click on search, then here at paid work app it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, click on for stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.